everyone, Dave here from Showdown. Let's take a little walk around 2005 Hummer H2 we just got in. Beautiful truck. Truck's got 108 on it. Factory 6-liter Vortec, 4-wheel drive, all your factory power options. Beautiful truck here. This truck came out of Texas in 2005. This is the only time you get a black on black Hummer. This is the one you want. Factory 17-inch chrome wheels. Be a good rich radial, all-terrain tires, beautiful paint. Like I said, Texas truck, black on black. This is the one. Got all your little chrome add-ons on it, chrome running boards, light covers. Exterior was ceramic coated. Windows are tinted. Really done nice. Factory moon, factory power leather seats. They are heated, power windows, locks, got your dual zone air and heat. Upgraded LED lights in it. Back seat's got the screens in it. Beautiful interior in it. Does have your factory third row there in the back. This truck is always garage kept. Bought this from a good friend of ours. He found the truck in Texas. Super clean. Bottoms of the doors are as clean as you're gonna find. Perfect. All the rubbers look nice. You can read all the stickers. Look at these door jambs, how nice it is. Beautiful paint. No door dings. Little flaw here in the clear coat. Just a little small one, just in the clear. One little stone chip in the windshield there. Unfortunately, you get them as you drive them. Power passenger seat there. Does have the factory Bose sound system in it with CD player. Got the nice WeatherTech mats in it already. Saved you a couple bucks there. Get your AC vents there in the back. It's got rear heated seats as well. Loaded up. This truck's not going to last. We're going to price it to sell it. If you have any questions, you can call me anytime. My name is Dave. Number's 586-791-0778. ShowdownAuto.com. Thank you for watching. Take care.